Welcome to Weekly Zap News, the show where we talk about the latest in tech, AI, and software. I'm your host, Alex Zapp. Conflixis, an AI startup, is stepping up to defend hospitals against shady doctors trying to game the system. Their new AI scans through heaps of patient data, spotting red flags like overprescriptions and bogus tests. This high-tech watchdog helps ensure your doctor isn't more interested in their bank account than your health. In short, it's like having a digital Dr. House who isn't addicted to Vicodin.
Well, sometimes doctors make mistakes.
So Conflixis built an AI that can detect corrupt doctors. It's like Dr. House with none of the snark and all the receipts. X, formerly Twitter, is testing a new free version of its AI chatbot, Grok, designed to be witty, smart, and maybe just a tad sarcastic.
Last human ghost, but robot ghosts. Ah!
It's like if Clippy and ChatGPT had a baby with a love for snark. The move aims to get more users on board without paying a dime, hoping Grok's personality keeps folks entertained while assisting with everything from tweets to trivia.
Why are people putting this stuff out?
If Grok were a football coach, it'd be the one yelling, "You call that a tweet?" from the sidelines. OpenAI is reportedly shifting gears, working on fresh strategies to combat the slowdown in AI advancements. As their models hit a performance plateau, they explore different approaches to keep the tech evolving. It's like their AI engine needs a tune-up. New algorithms and fresh data are the spark plugs to get it roaring again. They're determined to avoid becoming the Blockbuster of AI while the competition is streaming in high def. OpenAI's AI slowdown is like a cooking show where the chef says, "We've run out of spices, but we've still got salt." DeepL has stepped up its game with DeepL Voice, a new tool that lets you translate voices and videos in real time, all by just typing.
That's unbelievable.
Imagine watching a foreign movie without subtitles, or finally understanding what your dog sitter says in their video updates. It's basically the Google Translate of the future, minus the awkward accents.
I have a real thing for the accent.
With this tech, you can finally figure out what your cat is saying when it knocks over your coffee, though I'm pretty sure it's just, "This is why I'm the fashion icon here." YouTube just dropped a mic moment, letting creators remix songs with the help of AI prompts. Now you can customize tracks with just a few typed ideas. It's like giving your favorite playlist a makeover without the bad song choices from that one friend. Whether it's a lo-fi remix of Beethoven or a rock twist on a pop hit, AI's here to DJ your vibe. Remixing songs with AI? Next thing you know, your closet will have an AI stylist, though it'll still insist those cargo shorts are a bold choice. Apple's new Genmoji feature is here, letting you create custom emojis with a dash of AI magic. Now, instead of scrolling through endless icons, you can design your own, from your favorite snack to your weirdest mood. It's like your emoji keyboard got a creativity upgrade, and now you can finally send a facepalm emoji that actually looks like you after a long work-from-home day. This is perfect for remote work. Now you can send an emoji that says, "On a call," while you're really just in pajamas, debating your next snack choice. Big news in the world of AI, as Tessl just secured a major round of funding to the tune of a boatload of cash, putting its valuation sky high.
Boy, that escalated quickly.
Their goal? Create an AI tool that not only writes code but also maintains it, because clearly, human engineers need a break from the endless bug fixes and updates. Tessl's tech promises to be the digital equivalent of a helicopter parent for your software, constantly hovering and ensuring everything runs smoothly. It's like parenting. AI babysitting your code now. Just wait until it starts saying, "You're not leaving until you fix that bug, mister." That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Be happy and let's zap.